Friends, welcome to Dr. Varsha Gaitonde's channel. This topic is about pocket data of field crops. Here I have given each and every important field crops information in tabular form. First of all, we shall discuss about the cereals and millets. Important first cereal is rice, which is botanically named as Oryza sativa, which has chromosome number 24. Chromosome number means here the overall number of chromosomes or a diploid set of chromosome I am going to give you here. Rice and other cereals majorly belong to family Poaceae. The number of stamens in rice. Stamens are the male reproductive part, or we can call them as anthers. In rice we can see 6 anthers. The center of origin is Southeast Asia. Remember, apart from rice, none of the other cereals are having 6 number of stamens. Other cereals like wheat, maize, sorghum, pearl millet, foxtail millet and others which are having 3 numbers of stamens. Let us move to wheat. Wheat is botanically known as Triticum species because you may find diploid, tetraploid and hexaploid wheat. So here I am talking about the hexaploid wheat, that is Triticum aestivum, which has chromosome number of 42 and number of stamens are 3. The center of origin for wheat is Asian Minor, that is for Triticum aestivum. Next is maize. Botanically, Zea maize has chromosome number 20, number of stamens 3 and center of origin is Mexico. Sorghum, botanically sorghum bicolor, which is also having chromosome number 20, 3 number of stamens and the center of origin is Ethiopia. Pearl millet, scientifically Pennisetum glaucum or Pennisetum americanum, which has chromosome number 14 and this has stamens of number 3 and the origin center of origin is Africa or Western tropical Africa. First and foremost important millet is sorghum. Next to that is finger millet, or next is pearl millet and third one is finger millet. Finger millet is scientifically known as Eleusine coracana. The chromosome number is 36. The number of stamens are 3 and the origin is Africa. The country name is Uganda. Here you should always remember, as we talk about hexaploid wheat, when we talk about finger millet or ragi, it is in tetraploid form and the chromosome number is 36. Next we will move to foxtail millet, that is Sateria italica, which has chromosome number 18. Eastern Asia is the origin. Barnyard millet, that is Echinoclova frumentaceae, which has different chromosome number 36 and 54. This is also originated in Eastern Asian. Then proso millet, Panicum miliaceum, which has chromosome number 36 and 74, which is in different ploidy level. Central Asia is the origin. Little millet, which has 36 chromosome number. Here you need to remember is little millet chromosome number is just like finger millet and it is originated in Africa, same as finger millet, where finger millet originated in Uganda. Next is kodo millet, that is Paspalum scrobiculatum, which has chromosome number 40 and origin is India. Coming to pulses, red gram. Red gram is Kajanus kajan, which has 22 chromosome number. All pulses belong to family Fabaceae. Number of stamens in all the pulses is 9 plus 1. That means 9 are fused and 1 is independent or unfused. Red gram originated in Africa. Red gram is nothing but pigeon pea. Next is Bengal gram, Caesar areatum or Caesar reticulatum. This has chromosome number 16, which was originated in Western Africa. Next we talk about black gram. Black gram and green gram, just concentrate here. These two originated in India. That is most important. The chromosome number of black gram and green gram are 22. Next is cowpea, which is Vigna unguiculata, has chromosome number 22 and 24. Generally, we consider 22. It originated in tropical Africa. Soybean, glycine max, which has chromosome number 40 and originated in Eastern Asia. That means China is the origin of soybean. Here you need to remember is soybean is having highest amount of protein, and that is 40% protein and 20% oil, whereas the rest of oil seeds, here we can consider soybean both under pulse section as well as under oil seed. So soybean is having only 20% oil and highest amount of protein, that is 40%. So mostly it is classified under pulses because pulses are known for their protein content, whereas cereals and millets are known for their carbohydrate, then starch as well as other micronutrients. Horse gram. Macrotyloma uniflorum is the scientific name or botanical name of horse gram. This has 24 chromosome numbers and center of origin is Old World Tropics. Next is lima bean, that is nothing but butter bean. Phaseolus lunatus, which has 22 chromosome number and the origin is tropical America. Next we talk about the third category, that is oil seeds. Important and most oil seed in India is groundnut, that is Arachis hypogea, which has 40 number of chromosomes, belongs to Fabaceae. Here different oil seeds belong to different family, so you need to remember them separately. Groundnut is also having 9 plus 1 kind, but it is somewhat modified. Here you can see 4 plus 4 plus 2. That means the fusing pattern of those stamens is different. The center of origin of groundnut is Brazil, that comes under America. Then gingerly, that is sesamum. Sesamum indicum is the scientific name, having chromosome number 26, belongs to family Pedaliaceae. Number of stamens for gingerly or sesamum is 4 and origin is Africa. Coming to sunflower, Helianthus anus is the scientific name, which has 34 chromosome number. Asteraceae is the family. It has 5 stamens, and America or Northern America is the origin of sunflower. Sunflower origin is just like maize, the same condition it belongs to. Then safflower, which is Carthamus tinctorium, has chromosome number 24. Remember, sunflower has 34 chromosome number, whereas safflower is having 24, which also belongs to Asteraceae family. This is also having 5 number of stamens and the center of origin is Afghanistan. Coming to rapeseed and mustard, we can find a huge amount of diversity in rapeseed and mustard. As you can see, many of the vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, then many of the cole crops which belong to this Brassica oleracea, botanically described, and rapeseed and mustard, they are again in Brassica campestris, Juncea, Niger and Napus. We'll discuss one by one. Brassica campestris is having 20 number of chromosomes. Family is Cruciferae. Number of stamens in Brassica campestris is 4 plus 2. In all the rapeseed and mustard family, species are having 4 plus 2 number of stamens. And center of origin of Brassica campestris is India. Juncea is Africa. Nigra is Eurasia. Nigra means you can find that black kind. Black means Africa. So Brassica nigra originated in Africa. Then Brassica napus is originated in Mediterranean condition. Brassica juncea is known as Indian mustard. Okay, you need to remember this. Next is Castor ricinus cuminis. This has chromosome number 20. Remember, castor is not utilized for regular edible purpose. Whenever medicines or some that kind of material means castor is utilized little bit as an ingredient or an lubricant. Majorly it is utilized as lubricant. It belongs to Euphorbiaceae family. Then number of stamens that differs. Then it originated in Africa. Coming to linseed. Linseed is flax. Linus usitasimum. This has chromosome number 30, 32. Generally 32 is considered, or 30 is considered in different countries. If it comes to India, we consider 30 belong to Linaceae family. Number of stamens is 5 and the center of origin is India. Coming to Niger, that is Guzetia abyssinica. Niger is till. 30 क्रोमोसोम नंबर्स बिलोंग्स टू फैमिली अस्टेरिएशिए. यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि सनफ्लावर, सैफफ्लावर और नाइजर तीनों अस्टेरेशिया फैमिली में आता है एंड द फ्लावरिंग पैटर्न इज ऑल्सो सेम. रिमेंबर दैट द क्रोमोसोम नंबर ऑफ सनफ्लावर इज 34, सैफफ्लावर इज 24 एंड नाइजर इज 30. Number of stamens are 5 and center of origin of Niger is tropical Africa. We'll talk about some of the fiber crops. Important one is cotton. First one is Gossypium herbaceum. Chromosome number is 26. This is diploid cotton. Belongs to family Malvaceae. Remember, cotton belongs to family Malvaceae and the stamens also differ. Generally it is 6 or 3. Center of origin of Gossypium herbaceum is Africa and Asia. Gossypium arboreum having chromosome number 26. Then Asia is the origin. This is arboreum is called as Asiatic cotton and herbaceum is known as African cotton. Hirsutum belongs to Mexico, or it originated in Mexico, and Barbadans belongs to West Indies. Next is jute. Jute we can partition it as Corchorus capsularis and Corchorus olitorius, that is Indian jute and Tossa jute. Has chromosome number 14, belongs to family Tiliaceae. It has number of stamens 10 to infinity, or there is a wide or huge difference between the number of stamens. We can find the variation. Origin of Corchorus capsularis is Southern Asia and Corchorus olitorius is Africa and Asia. Next we talk about sunhemp, that is another fiber crop, which is Crotalaria juncea, having chromosome number 16, belong to family Fabaceae, where majority of our pulses belong to. The number of stamens is 10 and center of origin is India. Mesta. Mesta is Hibiscus cannabinus, that has chromosome number 36, belongs to family Malvaceae like cotton, and the origin is tropical Africa. Sisal, that is Agave sisaliana, having chromosome number 138, belongs to family Agavaceae. Number of stamens are 6 and the center of origin is Mexico. Now we shall talk about the sugar crops. Important sugar crops in India are sugarcane and sugar beet. Sugarcane is Saccharum officinanum, that is noble cane, which has 80 chromosome numbers, belong to family Poaceae, where majority of our cereals belongs to. Number of stamens in sugarcane is 3 and the center of origin is New Guinea. Next is sugar beet, which is Beta vulgaris and chromosome number is 18. Family is Chenopodiaceae, where amaranthus and other plants belong to. Then number of stamens are 5 and the origin is Eurasia or Africa. Now we shall talk about some of the forage crops or forage grasses. Important one is Kumbu napier, that is a hybrid Kumbu, Pennisetum glaucum into Pennisetum purpureanum. Bajra napier hybrid is Kumbu, that has chromosome number 21, belongs to family Poaceae. Number of stamens 3 and the center of origin is various, mainly African countries. Guinea grass. This is Panicum maximum, having chromosome number 18, 36 and 48, belongs to family Poaceae. Number of stamens 3 and origin is tropical Africa. Buffel grass, botanically Sanchrus setigerus, has chromosome number 32 to 54, belongs to family Poaceae and center of origin is tropical Africa. Spear grass is Heteropogon contorus, which has belongs to Poaceae family. Buffalo grass is Brachyria mutica, which has chromosome number 36, originated in Africa. Marvel grass is Dichanthium species, which has 40 chromosome number and 3 stamens we can find here. Marvel grass also belongs to American tropical Africa or American continent. Bermuda grass. This has chromosome number 30, 36 and 40, belongs to family Poaceae. 3 number of stamens and the center of origin is southwest England. Coming to the cereal fodders, important one is Johansen grass, that is Sorghum helipens, which has chromosome number 40. Remember, sorghum is having 20 number of chromosomes, that is in diploid form, and Johansen grass has 40 number of chromosomes. It is also having 3 stamens and belongs to Mediterranean, means origin is Mediterranean country. Fodder bajra, that is Pennisetum glaucum, having chromosome number 14 and center of origin is Western tropical Africa. Fodder maize, Zea maize, means in the early form, or if we grow maize for fodder purpose, that is nothing but fodder maize, which belongs to Mexico. Sudan grass, Sorghum arundinaceum variety sudanensis, Sudan grass, which is same as sorghum, that has 20 chromosome number, belongs to Poaceae family and Africa is the origin. Fodder sorghum is Sorghum bicolor. Forage legumes, Lucerne. Lucerne is Medicago sativa, which has various chromosome numbers in different ploidy forms like 16, 32 and 64, which belongs to Fabaceae family and number of stamens are 10. Mediterranean countries is the origin of Lucerne. Next is cowpea, that is Vigna anguiculata. This is a spreading type and most important mulch crop in India in order to save or to conserve the water and in order to increase the fertility of land. This is generally used, having chromosome number 22 and 24. This is also having 9+1 kind of stamens. Then tropical Africa is the origin of cowpea. Desmethus virgatus is the scientific name. This belongs to Mimosoldiae family, having stamens 10 and the origin is America. This was all about the field crops pocket data. Friends, I think this information whatever I have furnished here is useful for you. If you are going for any competitive exams, just go through this once. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, keep on subscribing, commenting, and we shall move in the next topic. Bye bye. Thank you.